Hey guys, it is me, Batman47 here, and today we are playing Slime Rancher. Alright, let's go and start. Okay, let's get moving. Okay, yeah, moving, jumping, hop to. Okay, I'm already doing that. Alright, you know how to play this game. Okay, slime, pink slime. Okay, is that all? I don't know. We're just sucking the air. Go buy some more slimes. Oh, I shot him. Grab him. Okay. Let's go over here. Get some more slime. Come off the apartment. Oh, I just starved over there. Okay, I guess you just put it in these things. Oh, slime's labor. Let's go. We feed them and get their slime juice. I guess. I don't know what they provide for us. I guess just go look for food, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so just playing a little bit. Got some food, got some slimes. Let's go ahead and go bring them in. Got you guys some friends, get some food. Let's shoot all of them in. Big slimes, the food, the rock slimes, and other slimes. Why, guys? They have wings. Wait, what are these? Oh, there's Florets, that's weird. What do they call it? Florets. Okay. Get some more food for them. Get some slimes. Yes. Okay. More slimes. Get this tree. Get the food off the tree. Alright. Good. Some slime. This box. Oh, more of those. Very cool. Put those in, I guess. Okay, so we've got a bunch of slimes now. We want us to go sell the florets. Let's go sell the florets. 1 floret. How much money do we get? 14. 14! That's it! Okay. Let's go over here then. And we can buy stuff. Okay, so we're taking the high walls. Because they don't escape. I guess we'll just go do some stuff. Okay, look for some more slimes. Gotta get the carrots for our slimes. Carrots over here. Try to wild slime. I'm not gonna eat them yet. Oh, they are. We'll just suck them up. We'll just enslave those guys too. Oh, we got mail. I don't really care, so I'm not gonna read it. Go back to home and then trap these slimes and get them their carrots. There you guys go. Not enough for all of you, but it'll do. I don't know why. Suck them up. This is like an automated thing. Something. Gosh. So annoying. Okay. Collect more. We should make like $1 million off this. So they slime, Hey, we can afford the higher walls. We can buy them. Give them this carrot first. Oh my gosh, they keep escaping. Come here. We got a floor permit. Nobody care. Here, they can have it. And set slime. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Oh wait, what's this? Range offline. Okay, I guess we'll just keep going then. We're here. Yeah, we're gonna go exploring for cool things like slimes and food for the slimes. A lot of wild slimes. I think these carrots. These carrots are good for them. Yeah, I mean they seem to eat everything. These pove, like oranges, crap, whatever. I know. Okay, let's go. What can we find? More slimes, perfect. Yeah, we can wait for more slimes. This slime. Okay, go back in and capture these things. I'm back with slimes. Here's your slime friends. Oh, you freaks. Now we can buy the high wall. I forgot to do that earlier. Now they can't escape. That's good. All you stupid slimes. You're my slaves. Yeah, sorry about that cut. I mean, I ran a little bit. Okay, I've got a lot of slimes. Oh, jeez, a lot of slimes. And I would like to buy the roof, but you know, I can't, so, yeah. Alrighty. It's getting late, we should, no, actually no, it's morning. I thought we no. These slimes just control your mind, like, this, you should not play this game. Alright, let's go explore again, find cool things, because it's getting kind of boring. Okay, it's going over there. Hey, yeah, it's my food. You stupid little slime. Don't eat that. It's for my slimes. Gosh, stupid raw slime. Disrespect. Gosh. We'll keep this one. This one name is Greg. He's gonna be a good little boy. Okay. You kill Stephen Hawking. And you know, no. And slime flavoring. They're free. Free to roam the world. Yes, slimes. Be free. Be free. Yeah, good slides, okay. Yeah, I don't know what to do now. I just freed them all through it. There's a lot of them. I guess we just, I don't know, leave them and do what they want. Okay, I guess we'll just get more slimes, I guess, I don't know. Come on, the purpose of this game. Come on, guys, let's go. That didn't work, okay. What was the Greg with us? So if we have Greg, then if we didn't have Greg, then life wouldn't matter. Isn't that right, guys? Oh my god, I need a chicken. What a stupid chicken everybody's been eating. Okay, though. Oh, wait. Okay, so I'm just gonna go. Take the floors. Okay, take the floors. Okay, on my face. God, oh wait, what is this thing? Oh my god, why is this here in the game? We gotta kill it. Oh my god. Oh my god. What do I do? Oh, I just had a slime! You deal, they're multiplying. They're really multiplying. Oh, they're trying to eat me. Oh, they're eating more slimes. This is terrible. Why would they do this? Why? Oh my god, they're good. There's a lot of them. Get out, get them. Oh, we gotta save this life. Save this life. Save them! Get out, oh my god, it's going. Oh my god, go get away! Eat the slide. Come on, guys, you gotta go. You gotta escape. You're all gonna get eaten. This is terrible. This game will be peaceful. Oh no, they're chasing me. Oh, they're chasing me. Oh my god, why are there so many? No. Ah, oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh. Why? Let's keep this knife. Oh great. Another way I can go. What am I supposed to do? Take this. Oh my god. Oh no. Please no. Wait, life. No.